Sharpen your woodworking skills for a razor-sharp mind. Are you ready to unlock a sharper mind while crafting beautiful creations? Join us in this transformative journey to master woodworking as a therapeutic tool. Let's explore how this creative outlet can enhance your mental well-being and elevate your skills. Have you ever noticed how time flies when you're deep into a project? The rhythm of sawing and sanding invites a meditative state, reducing stress and anxiety. By immersing yourself in this art, you quiet the mind, allowing creativity and calmness to flourish together. Each project challenges your problem-solving and planning skills, engaging the brain in productive ways. As you refine your craftsmanship, you naturally improve concentration and attention to detail. These focused sessions on the workbench can translate into heightened mental acuity in everyday tasks. Woodworking encourages mindfulness, a powerful practice linked to enhanced mental health. By concentrating solely on each cut and detail, you cultivate a sense of presence. This mindful approach not only improves your projects, but also fosters clarity and balance in life beyond the shop. Completing a piece, you gain more than a physical object. You enhance your self-esteem. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into something useful or beautiful boosts confidence. Embrace each mistake as a learning opportunity, reinforcing resilience and personal growth every step of the way. Engage with fellow woodworking enthusiasts, sharing tips and experiences. Community provides support, inspiration, and camaraderie, essential for mental well-being. Whether through local workshops or online forums, these connections offer a sense of belonging and mutual encouragement. Ready to carve out a new path to mental clarity and personal fulfillment? Let the art of woodworking guide you. Embrace this journey, find solace in creation, and watch as your skills and mind sharpen beyond imagination. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and join our vibrant community for more inspiration.